The 3 drinks that regenerate stem cells and repair the body. In the quest for a longer, healthier life, scientists have uncovered some fascinating secrets. One of the most promising being the role of stem cells in promoting longevity and overall wellness. Stem cells are like the body's repair system, with the ability to transform into various types of cells, rejuvenating tissues and organs, and maintaining our health as we age. As we get older, the efficiency and number of these vital cells diminish, leading to the gradual decline associated with aging. However, recent research has shown that we can support and even boost our stem cell production naturally through diet and lifestyle choices. One of the simplest, yet most powerful ways to enhance your stem cell health is by incorporating certain beverages into your daily routine. But we're not just talking about any drinks. These are scientifically backed, nutrient-rich beverages that have been shown to stimulate stem cell activity and contribute to a longer, healthier life. In this video, we're going to explore 3 such beverages. They're packed with compounds that can supercharge your body's ability to produce and protect stem cells. We'll dive into the science behind each drink, backed by studies from reputable institutions, and explain how these everyday beverages can become powerful allies in your pursuit of longevity and wellness. Whether you're looking to improve your health, slow down the aging process, or simply enjoy a tasty drink with added benefits, these 3 beverages offer a natural way to support your stem cells and live a longer, healthier life. Let's get started on this journey to better health, one sip at a time. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on more tips for living your healthiest life. Number 1. Green tea, black tea. Green tea and black tea have been consumed for centuries, revered not only for their refreshing taste, but also for their remarkable health benefits. These teas are rich in bioactive compounds that play a significant role in promoting longevity and overall well-being. Recent scientific studies have highlighted the powerful effects that green tea and black tea can have on stem cells, the body's natural repair and regeneration system. These teas are packed with potent antioxidants, though they contain different types that offer unique benefits. Green tea is particularly rich in catechins, a type of antioxidant that has been shown to protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. These are molecules that can damage cells, proteins, and DNA, accelerating the aging process and increasing the risk of various diseases. By neutralizing these harmful molecules, catechins help preserve the health of your cells, including stem cells, which are crucial for repairing and rejuvenating tissues throughout the body. Black tea, on the other hand, contains theaflavins, another powerful group of antioxidants. Theaflavins are formed during the fermentation process that turns green tea leaves into black tea, and they have been shown to support cardiovascular health by reducing cholesterol levels and improving blood vessel function. Like catechins, theaflavins also protect cells from oxidative stress and inflammation, 2 major contributors to aging and chronic disease. Research published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that regular consumption of green tea was associated with a lower risk of cardiovascular disease and improved overall health, highlighting how the antioxidants in these teas can enhance brain function, potentially reducing the risk of cognitive decline as we age. Aim to drink at least 1 to 3 cups per day to reap the full benefits. For those who prefer a milder flavor, green tea is an excellent choice, while those who enjoy a more robust taste might opt for black tea. Both options offer a wealth of health benefits that can help you maintain your youthfulness and vitality well into your later years. Number 2. Hot chocolate, cocoa. Hot chocolate, often associated with comfort and indulgence, is more than just a delightful treat. When made with high-quality dark cocoa, it transforms into a powerful elixir that offers numerous health benefits, especially for your heart and overall vitality. Recent scientific research have shown that cocoa is rich in compounds that can support cardiovascular health, enhance stem cell function, and potentially slow down the aging process. The key to cocoa's health benefits lies in its high concentration of flavonoids, particularly a type known as epicatechins. Flavonoids are plant compounds with strong antioxidant properties that help protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. unstable molecules that can accelerate aging and contribute to various diseases. Epicatechins, specifically, have been shown to improve blood flow, reduce inflammation, and support heart health, all of which are crucial for maintaining the vitality of your body's stem cells. In fact, the cardiovascular benefits of cocoa are so profound that it has been the subject of numerous studies. Research published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that regular consumption of flavonoid-rich cocoa can lower blood pressure, improve cholesterol levels, and enhance blood vessel function. These effects are essential for keeping your heart healthy and ensuring that your stem cells receive the oxygen and nutrients they need to function optimally. Stem cells play a critical role in repairing and regenerating tissues throughout the body, but their effectiveness can diminish as we age. One of the ways cocoa supports stem cell function is by improving blood circulation. Better blood flow means that your stem cells are more efficiently supplied with the nutrients and oxygen they require to perform their regenerative duties. This is particularly important for the heart, as healthy blood vessels are essential for delivering these vital resources to the tissues that need them most. Additionally, the anti-inflammatory properties of cocoa can protect stem cells from the damaging effects of chronic inflammation. Inflammation is a major driver of aging and age-related diseases, and by reducing it, cocoa helps create a more favorable environment for stem cells to thrive. This not only aids in the repair of tissues, but also supports overall longevity and health. Not all cocoa is created equal. To maximize the health benefits, it's important to choose dark, minimally processed cocoa with a high flavonoid content. Many commercial hot chocolates are loaded with sugar and heavily processed, which can negate some of the potential health benefits. Instead, opt for pure cocoa powder or dark chocolate with at least 70% cocoa content, and prepare your hot chocolate with a natural sweetener like honey, or a non-dairy milk alternative for a healthier treat. Number 3. Pomegranate juice. Pomegranate juice is often hailed as a superfood, and for good reason. This vibrant, ruby-red beverage is packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and polyphenols that make it a formidable ally in the fight against aging. Recent research has shown that pomegranate juice not only supports overall health, but also plays a crucial role in enhancing stem cell function, making it a potent tool for promoting longevity and vitality. Pomegranate juice is one of the richest sources of polyphenols like punicalagins and ellagic acid. These compounds have been extensively studied for their ability to protect cells from oxidative stress, a major contributor to the aging process. Oxidative stress occurs when there is an imbalance between free radicals, unstable molecules that can damage cells, and the body's ability to neutralize them with antioxidants. Over time, this damage can lead to chronic diseases, inflammation, and the breakdown of tissues, all of which accelerate aging. The antioxidants in pomegranate juice work to neutralize free radicals, reducing oxidative stress and protecting your cells from damage. This protective effect is especially important for stem cells, which are responsible for repairing and regenerating tissues throughout the body. By safeguarding these cells, pomegranate juice helps ensure that your body can continue to heal and maintain itself effectively as you age. Study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that pomegranate juice can increase the activity of telomerase, an enzyme that helps maintain the length of telomeres, protective caps on the ends of chromosomes that play a key role in cellular aging. Longer telomeres are associated with a slower aging process and a reduced risk of age-related diseases. In addition to supporting telomere health, pomegranate juice has been shown to promote the proliferation of stem cells in the brain, heart, and other vital organs. This means that regular consumption of pomegranate juice can help your body generate new, healthy cells more effectively, supporting tissue repair and regeneration. The ability of pomegranate juice to enhance stem cell function makes it a powerful anti-aging beverage that goes beyond just preventing damage. It actively promotes healing and rejuvenation. Study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that pomegranate juice can significantly reduce inflammation markers in the body, which is crucial for preventing chronic diseases and supporting overall health. This juice can reduce the accumulation of amyloid plaques in the brain, which are associated with Alzheimer's disease. By supporting brain health, pomegranate juice helps preserve cognitive function and protect against age-related decline, making it a valuable addition to any anti-aging regimen. Chronic inflammation is a major driver of aging and can impair the function of stem cells, so reducing it is key to maintaining a youthful state. It's important to choose 100% pure pomegranate juice without added sugars or artificial ingredients. Consuming 1 to 2 servings per day can provide a substantial dose of antioxidants and polyphenols, supporting your body's stem cells and overall health. Pomegranate juice can be enjoyed on its own, mixed with other juices, or added to smoothies for a delicious and healthful boost. The beauty of these beverages is that they are easy to incorporate into your daily life. Whether you start your day with a cup of green tea, enjoy a mid-afternoon hot chocolate, or wind down with a glass of pomegranate juice, you're making choices that support your long-term health and well-being. These simple habits can have profound effects, helping you stay active, healthy, and full of energy as you age. As you embrace these drinks, remember that consistency is key. The cumulative effects of these health-boosting beverages are what make them so powerful. By making them a regular part of your routine, you're giving your body the tools it needs to fight off aging, protect against disease, and regenerate itself effectively. In the journey toward longevity, every small step counts. The beverages you choose to drink each day can make a significant difference in how you feel and function as you age. So, raise your cup, whether it's filled with tea, cocoa, or juice, and toast to a future of health and vitality. By making these drinks a regular part of your life, you're investing in your well-being and taking a proactive stance against the effects of aging. Here's to a future filled with energy, health, and the joy of living well. Remember to share your experiences with these beverages in the comments below, and don't forget to like this video if you found the information helpful. Subscribe to our channel for more tips on how to boost your health and live longer. Cheers to your health!